What if your old phone, the one just sitting in your drawer, can actually make money for you? No trading, no investment, and no risk, just Wi-Fi and an app running in the background. So guys, it's Crypto Geographic, and in today's video I came across a platform called Unity Network, and at first I thought it was just another earn crypto gimmick, but after testing it, the model behind it is actually different. So in today's video, I will show you how it's work and how to earn and how to set up it under 5 minutes. But before doing that, don't forget to leave a like, also subscribe, let us a comment below, and let's get started. Quick note, the app has officially rebranded from Unity to unetwork. If you're using Android, search for unetwork on Google Play. If you're on iPhone, the app may still appear as Unity Network temporarily during the transition. All updated links are in the description. So guys, here what's happening right now. So behind the scenes, every day billions of calls, message and data move through telecom network. But this network constantly degrade, drop calls, slow internet and failed messages. To fix this, telecom companies need a real world data. That's where the Unity comes in. So instead of using expensive centralized system, they use real smartphone like yours to test and validate network performance globally. So when you install the app, your phone becomes part of the centralized network that telecom company pay to use. So now let's talk about the interesting part. Now let's talk about money. The app run in the background and perform this validate task automatically, and your earning dependent on the key thing. Uptime, the longer your phone stay connected, the more you earn. They call this your reputation scores. More uptime, higher reputation, we have more tasks, and more tasks, we have more rewards as well. You can also opt into extra tasks for higher payout. And what I like about this, you don't invest anything, we have no subscription, no ads, no referral needed, and no personal data collected, and it works worldwide. Also small hack, if you have old phone, just leave the connected to Wi-Fi at home and let them run. That basically passive income from device you're not using. And when it comes to withdrawing, you can get paid in crypto like Ethereum, USDT, Solana, XRP, and Cardano as well. And they're working on adding bank transfer. And for the setup, it's actually very simple. Here exactly what you do. First, you should go to unityop.com and claim your free license code. Then download the app that is available on App Store and also Google Play. Then tap get started, select license operator, pass your code, sign in with your email and verify your account. Then you could bind the tab, open Melio, click on work and select your license, switch node or validation node as well, all turn green as we can see here on my screen, and that's it. Just leave the app working on the background and you start earning your reward. And also if you run into issue or want to maximize your earning, there are Facebook group where users share tips, ask questions and help each other, especially useful if your license doesn't activate, for example, or you're not receiving task yet. I will leave the link on the description box below, you could check it. So guys, that's all for today's video. So to keep it real, this won't make you rich overnight, but for something that requires zero investment and almost no effort, it's actually one of the more interesting passive model out there. If you want to try it yourself, go to unityout.com, you will find the link on the description box below. Get your free license, set up it in 5 minutes and just let it run and you test it. Drop your results in the comment section below and I'm curious to see how far this can go. If you're watching till now, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe, leave a comment below and see you in the next video.